Hey everybody, I'm going to tell you the top 10 reasons why you should list your house during the holidays. Hi everybody, I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving and you're enjoying your free time off and you're getting ready for the holidays. So as I was pulling out my holiday decorations, I realized it's a good time to talk about the 10 reasons why you should list your home during the holidays. If you've been thinking about it, perhaps over your Zoom Thanksgiving call, you're like, well, is it a good time? Maybe it's time to wait till spring. So I pulled out my ornaments and we have 10 reasons. The first one is people who look during the holidays are more serious because this is their focus and this is what they're interested in. Okay. Second reason, you can have a contract now and specify a later closing date in January or February if that works better for your situation. And then you'll have the stress behind you. All right, number 3, you may still restrict showings during your private family events, and so we can limit that so that you can still have your celebrations. Okay, Mr. Clown says, many people want to buy before the end of the year for tax purposes, so we want to capitalize on those buyers who are ready to go now. Buyers are more emotional during the holidays. As we know, emotion sells. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every Tuesday I post local happenings, market updates, and popular guests to talk about what's going on in Northbrook and Glenview. All right, and our Baird and Warner Relocation Department helps corporations move their employees during the new year. By selling now, you can lock in an eye-popping interest rate on the house that you're going to buy. And if you haven't heard, interest rates are low. Let's do it. Houses show better when they're festively decorated for the holidays. Makes it a cozy feel. And serious buyers have fewer houses to choose from during the holidays, so that's less competition for you. And last but not least, buyers have more time to look for a home during the holidays if they have some unpaid PTO time and maybe their family's in town and they want to show what they're going to be buying. So this is a great time. So if I haven't convinced you, let's discuss. We'll have a home and lifestyle consultation and we'll discuss all the different options and maybe it's a good time for you. Enjoy your holiday preparation. See you soon. Bye.